All right, it's one of those cold February nights, but I got this thing installed. And when I was putting it on, I noticed that I felt like 83 foot-pounds, which is the stock axle nut torque specs, just felt like too much for some reason. I think because the aluminum was probably just settling in or something. I don't know. It just felt like too much. I Googled it, and BST website says don't exceed 90 Newton meters. It said generally follow the manufacturer's torque specs, but don't exceed 90 Newton meters. So, of course, I was definitely exceeding that. They want 83. 90 Newton meters is 66. So I set it at 60 for now. We'll see how that works. And it definitely felt more appropriate. There's, 66 is plenty of force on there for sure. It's not like I don't think it's going to break it or anything. I mean, they use these things on single-sided swing arms too, so not a huge deal. But I don't know. A lot of these specs seem a little too high. This sprocket nuts, the stock specs I think are like 43 foot-pounds. I have these at, I think these are the aluminum Pro Bolt. I think I had them set at 20 Newton meters, and the stock steel. The BST steel ones were calling for 40 Newton meters. So, these stock specs, if you use them, can potentially overdo things. So I've been trying to keep that in mind when I'm torquing this thing down. But yeah, so I'm not going to get to take it out today. It's February. It's really cold, but hopefully soon. We need to get a little bit of rain on the road too. But it should save about 4 pounds. I will definitely find out exactly how much it saves, and I'll post up the details on every little tiny bit of it, because I'm all curious about those details. And I'll post all those up on 1000rr.net and also at the bottom of this video.